In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure to remove Facebook account from other devices. If you want to remove Facebook account from other devices, then you'll have to watch this video right till the end. First thing first, you want to check your internet and update your application. To update, you want to head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Facebook, and here you simply want to check whether you need to update it or not. If you see update just like mine, then click the update button, wait for it to completely update it. And after you've actually done it, you want to exit and log into your Facebook account. After you're logged into your Facebook account, what next you want to do is click the menu bar in the top right corner of your screen, then go to the gear icon here. After you go to the gear icon or the settings and privacy, you want to go to account center. Under it, click on see more in account center. Then come to this account settings section. Underneath, go to password and security. So there are two ways, or there are different ways. The first thing is you could also try changing a password. That is also going to help you out to log out from the account or from the devices. The other thing is you could go and simply select or see the account or devices as well. So here you would go to where you're logged in. You could go and select the particular account, and you'll be able to find list of devices. If you want to remove your account, click on select devices to log out, and simply select the devices that you want to remove. Click on logout, and once again for the confirmation, type in logout. Now then, to confirm removal of your account, you have to enter the verification code here, and as soon as you enter in the verification code, click on the continue button, and that way you'll have successfully removed Facebook account from other devices. That is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.